Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect crochet circles together. We'll explore 3 popular and effective methods to seamlessly join your crocheted pieces. Each technique offers a distinct look, from nearly invisible to beautifully decorative. Understanding these options will help you select the perfect join for your next creative endeavor, ensuring a professional and polished finish every time. First, let's look at the slip stitch join, perfect for a nearly invisible seam. You'll align 2 circles with their wrong sides together. Insert your hook through both loops of a stitch on the first circle, then through the corresponding stitch on the second. Yarn over and pull through all loops to create one slip stitch. Repeat this process for every stitch along the joining edge, resulting in a very neat and flat connection. Next, we have the single crochet join, which forms a subtle decorative ridge. For this method, position your 2 circles with their right sides facing outwards. Insert your hook through both loops of a stitch on the first circle, then through the corresponding stitch on the second. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and pull through both loops to complete one single crochet. Continue this for a sturdy, textured join. Finally, consider the whip stitch join, a versatile hand-sewn technique using a yarn needle. You can align your circles edge to edge, with either the right or wrong sides together, depending on your desired finish. Thread your yarn needle and pass it through both loops of a stitch on the first circle, then through the corresponding stitch on the second. Repeat this, creating a continuous diagonal stitch along the seam for a strong and adaptable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.